All right, guys, so this is going to be the existing HVAC system that we're currently looking at. We have a 90,000 BTU furnace roughly that's about a 4-ton fan. It does have a small base can on the bottom, and we have a 25 by 20 by 1 filter access right here on this right side. We are looking at possibly doing a pristine air filter for them on this set, and we should be keeping the equipment. We're not going to be really messing with any of this. We're going to be most likely doing a UV setup, so the air scrubber with a pristine air filtration system, possibly even a humidifier, which we got a couple ways we can put that on. This one would probably be the easiest, where you got a lot more space on here. You probably got about 17 or 19 inches of space right here, which would be very nice to put in the humidifier. You got the softener with water line access right in here for them, so you can run that directly to here with softened water, which will be great. Water heaters here in the back if you need it. This is going to be the easiest access probably for that filter, but it does need to be wired in, of course, to the actual furnace itself. You have a 10 by 25 cold air return drop itself, which is great. We are going to be looking at doing some ductwork for them as well. But this area is pulling in its own fresh air from here, so we don't need to worry about that when they seal up the system from right here. Coming out off to this side, we are going to have the unfinished basement that we're looking to add vents through. So coming right over here, you're going to see that main trunk line, which we have a 16 by 12 for this main trunk line running right here, and then it transitions to a 16 by 10, and then it goes to a 12 by 10 once we actually get to that bathroom area, which I'll show you guys in a minute. But we already have some cold air returns right here, which is phenomenal. We're just going to keep those exactly where they're at. There's no need to change them, those two. That should help out with the air distribution. But the big thing we want to do is actually run this whole entire vent from here. Ooh, sorry. Careful with the toys and everything, but probably right around here if we can. And you're probably going to want to go maybe 1 or 2 over from where that vent's at, so we can go ahead and get that directly aligned closely with that window. Probably this run or even that run would be fine, just because you have some stuff coming through both of these. But that's the first one. This is going to be an office area. This whole entire area is going to be a playroom access area. So, and same thing, you kind of already have some of the vents here, but we'll probably want to run one from right here all the way down to over there. Just do 6-inch rounds. Same thing from this guy. Go ahead and cap that off, run it all the way down here. We have a 4-ton fan on the existing setup, so it should be more than enough to handle this area. And then preferably I'd like one more a little bit further down that you can do. That's kind of tied with this system, which we'll step over and show y'all. But this one's gonna be a little bit more trickier because you have all the stuff up in the ceiling. But probably from right here, that looks the easiest accessible, all the way over to this area to kind of help out with that. Bathroom, we should be able to just keep that one for them. We might need to drop it down for them so it's actually flush with the drywall once everything's in for them. But I don't think we need to touch or mess with that guy whatsoever. And that should be it for this kind of main area. So overall, 4 vents. We want to do 1, 2, 3 for here, and then 1 further down for that office. Coming over this way, we want to do the same thing. This is going to be a bedroom. You'll just need 1 vent coming off of this run right here, coming close to this window, probably right around here somewhere. And then you also have this one, which will be another bedroom. This is going to be the furthest run, which might get a little bit colder, but that's okay. And we'll run the same exact thing. Another run over here, same setup by the window to make sure that's comfortable for them. And that'll kind of be everything that we're looking at doing for the venting down here, guys. And kind of the whole thing that we're thinking about doing. We might do a zone 2. That'll be a different video, but this will be it.